In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money at a Barclays ATM. By the end, you'll feel confident paying cash into your account quickly and securely without needing to queue inside a branch. To get started, have your Barclays debit card, your PIN, and the cash you want to deposit ready. It helps to straighten your banknotes and remove any paper clips or rubber bands so the machine can count them accurately. Most Barclays ATMs accept notes, not coins. Begin by inserting your Barclays debit card into the card slot. Follow the on-screen prompt to enter your PIN. Take a moment to shield the keypad with your hand for privacy. If you make a mistake, use the clear or cancel key to re-enter your PIN. Once you're in, you'll see the main menu. From the options displayed, choose Deposit. Depending on the machine, you might see wording like Cash Deposit or Pay In. Select the option that relates to depositing cash. The screen will then ask which account you want to pay the money into. Choose the correct account, typically your current or savings account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the account name and sort code on screen to ensure you're depositing into the right place. Next, the cash slot will open. Insert your notes flat and neatly into the slot. Don't force them. The ATM will close the slot and automatically count the notes. This may take a few seconds. Stay patient and keep an eye on the screen. When the count is complete, the machine will show you the total amount detected and sometimes a breakdown by denomination. Carefully review the figure. If something doesn't look right, use the on-screen options to correct it. Many machines let you remove the notes, straighten them and try again, or add more before confirming. If the total matches your cash, go ahead and confirm the deposit to proceed. You'll now be asked whether you'd like a receipt. Choose the option that suits you. A printed receipt is useful if you want immediate proof of deposit, though your transaction will also appear in your digital banking and statements. Before you walk away, wait for the final confirmation message, then retrieve your card when the machine releases it. Make sure you have your card, any printed receipt, and your belongings. And that's it. Your cash has been successfully deposited at the Barclays ATM. If at any point the screen shows an error or you're unsure, it's fine to cancel and try again, or ask a team member inside the branch for help. Thanks for watching and happy banking.